Hey everybody! Happy Friday. Welcome to Feature Friday. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Betsy and I'm a realtor here in the Denver metro area. And on Fridays, I feature a different property in different areas for us to come in, see what's going on in the market, see what our money buys us in different areas, get a little nosy, also just kind of have fun. Really, I just like to come on here and have fun with everybody. So if you jump on, say hello, please. Would love to say hi, ask questions, and we're gonna go through this house that's here in Broomfield. It's up in the Baseline neighborhood. I picked this one because I've always wanted to come in and see them. And I'm super excited because it's a 3-level house, single family, and it has like a rooftop patio. So I have not been in, I've not gone up and through it. I haven't taken a look at anything. So I'm super excited to do that along with you and exploring, and you never know what's gonna happen. Don't know who's gonna come in, what if someone's gonna have something, but I'll point out things that that I noticed that I would kind of highlight as a for a buyer, something that I would even highlight if you're selling. So we're just gonna be nosy together and have fun. So please jump on and say hi. And let me see if I have, I don't know. I wanna make sure that that I can kind of see what we're doing. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this around. So I'll talk about the house as we look at it because we don't need to be staring at me. So I just came in. Hi, Misha. Here, I'm at the front door and looking around here. So this is where we're at. So this house was built in 2022. It is $795,000. It has been on the market for just a few days, and it's actually having an open house tomorrow. So it does have west-facing windows, which is nice. Very minimal yard work. Looks like just a standard closet here. And so this is the main bottom floor. Very nice vinyl flooring. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, this is a very nice bedroom here. They have this decorated very nice for living in it. I was excited about the pictures, so I'm excited to see what they've done. So this is nice. It has a bathroom that's connected to this bedroom on the main level. And this is a queen size bed to give you an idea of the space, because sometimes it is a little bit hard to kind of tell. I don't know if this is a walk-in closet. Hi, David. Oh, it is a walk-in closet. So that is a good size. There's where they're storing all their stuff, which is completely fine. Sometimes when you're selling your house, it's hard to figure out what to do with everything. So we get creative. Looks like a bath, but then there's even a door to that restroom here, which is great. So as you're on the main level coming in, you have all of this space, which is wonderful. Looks like they have this here for shoe storage. 2-car garage. Oh, this is cute. I gotta make sure that I go slow enough so I don't make you guys sick. You're like, slow down, Betsy. Let's see if I can get a light on in here, because I want to show this to you too. Like, there's a lot of storage here. So they have this whole area where you can keep all of your bikes and all of your things while you still have your cars in here. And that's so important, because nowadays I feel like garages are coming smaller and smaller and our cars are being built bigger and bigger. All right, let's go up the first floor. Very nice carpet. Oh, I thought somebody might have been here, but they have music playing. So nobody's here that I know of so far. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, it's so pretty. Great large windows. Like, look how fun that is. So you can kind of get an idea of the neighborhood that I'm in. And again, I've always just wanted to get inside of these, so thanks for giving me a reason. But very nice to see going around, looking back onto the second floor. Kitchen, quartz countertops, soft close cabinets and drawers, gas, which is super nice. And so this is a total of 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. Great little patio. Looks like somebody's doing something with the hose. I don't know what that could be. We'll see on the top floor, won't we? Let's see what we have over here. I think this might be the primary. It is. Perfect. How nice. So coming back here, primary bedroom here with a carpet that carries through. Quartz countertops carries through, which is nice. And then it has like a his and hers opposite from what I showed, but closet space, which is nice. Nice shower. Then there's the water closet over here. Double vanity. Very nicely done. Very clean. This is a lot larger of a closet on this side, so plenty of space. Looks like they even have, oh, I was thinking there was built-ins, but there's not. But great storage. Super cute. Laundry on the main floor here, just off of the primary. I think this here, water closet, half bath for guests. Very nice. How fun, I love that chandelier. All right, let's go up and see what we got on the top. All right, is everybody kind of staying warm getting ready for this cold weather? It's a little scary. I'll give some tips at the end too of just what to do with this cold weather in your home. So up here, they have, these are heaters and air conditioners. And because of the space and how they needed to do the duct work, they have these up here, which they're amazing machines. Make it very comfortable. Cute loft. Cute bedroom in here. Good size. Looks like just a full size. Let's see what this goes to, probably just a closet, but just kind of a standard small walk-in, but very good storage. Let's see what this bathroom. Full bathroom. Nice. This would be a great space for older kids. Oh, I think it was just the wind blowing the hose. See, I thought somebody might have been up here because the hose was moving down there. But I bet even in the, when it's nicer out, you can see some of the mountains straight over this way. But so pretty. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. All right. So this 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,474 square feet is listed for $795 in Broomfield, up near Highway 7 in Sheridan. So it's exciting. It's a fun one. Please let me know if there's a house that you guys want to be nosy on next Friday. If there's a neighbor, if there's a house that you drive by all the time and you're like, I wonder what's going on with that one. Shoot me a message. Call me. And I would love to be able to add that to the Feature Friday next week. So here's a tip for